Subscribe to my new YouTube channel for latest technical and gaming updates. Put this bell icon on for new video notification.
Hello guys, my name is Shoaib and you are watching See Something Techy. Today I am gonna unbox LiveTech 150 MB per second wireless Nano USB network adapter and getting a quick review of it. Guys, there are many uses of this wireless adapter, like the adapter receives signal from the wireless router or other wireless devices and translate the signal so the computer user can access the internet anytime they are range of a Wi-Fi hotspot or a Wi-Fi wireless network. So let's get started. The first of all, the overview of a box. It is a nice packing, and so I'm gonna unbox it. So let's start. There is a plastic cover inside, and the cover is a driver CD. It is the mini CD of driver, wireless network driver, and audio driver also. As you can see guys, there is a, yes, it's a device. The device looks very cool, and the material used is it is, I think guys, it's a good alloy and very shiny with the golden plating. It has a LiveTech branding on the front of it. This wireless USB adapter provides a quick and a simple way to add or update the wireless connectivity of your desktop or a laptop or notebook computer. It is connected to wireless 802.11 and compatible devices. It has extended wireless coverage and a higher data transfer rate. It is equipped with the latest wireless technology, which enables to eliminate wireless dead spots while extending its wireless coverage by 4 times. Now guys, I am putting my CD into CD driver. It's loading. Done. As you can see, the driver CD is here. Now open it, and just if you have a Windows, just go to Window, and this is the setup. Now install the setup, accept all the agreements and click on next. As you can see, there is a choose an installation method. You can install driver and MediaTek LAN utility and install driver only. So I am selecting the first one. The utility helps a lot. It's installing now. Now the install sheet wizard has successfully installed. Now click on the finish button, and as you can see, I am opening my mobile hotspot. As you can see guys, the MediaTek utility software is in front of us. Now if you want some quick connection, so you can close it, or if you want some more features, so you can use it. I'm just closing it because I have a mobile hotspot, and I'm just going to this and searching for, as you can see, the wireless network connection, my Asus. I'm connecting it, so it's connected. For verifying it, I'm just opening my Chrome browser and search for a YouTube. As you can see guys, so guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below if you have any question. Thank you guys.